rockets, and science. That's what the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics Club at Fresno State is centered around.
We get to do a lot of technical projects. It really brings what we do in classrooms and engineering, like in books and stuff, to real life and real world and like hands-on stuff. So I think it makes the degree worth it, to get to work in real life on what we're doing.
The club hosts workshops open to anyone where other members will help people build their own personal rockets, regardless of experience.
Every time I've talked to some people, some of the members of the club, they've all been very welcoming. No one's been rude, no one's been mean. They all want to help me get to where I could be.
And this is where the magic happens in this room. I mean, here's some rockets that people have been working on, some more over here, some larger scale ones that they've been working on. Countless hours have been put in this room. Here's a 3D printer, so much going on all the time right here. They also compete in NASA-hosted competitions that calls for more complex electrical and structural science.
I'm working currently on the fins and the boat tail, this bottom section here for this year's competition rocket. And before this, I didn't have any experience with composites, any experience with rockets, but the people, they facilitate everything so well.
Members range from mechanical and electrical engineers to even some business majors looking to find a hobby. From Fresno State, Isaac Marquez, Fresno State Focus.
That one makes sense. But I am going to wash my hands.
Whether you start fiberglass or not, I recommend you start you can leave it. Open rock, you'll be like, you get two there for free. I like your folder label. Just leave it in the. If it's under a certain enough cost, sure. It has everything. We'll move it back over there. Of course, that's everything.